Welcome to the Primavera P6 Master Course, a professional certificate program for industry-ready project planning and control. Master the art of scheduling for major sectors, including EPC, construction, infrastructure, oil and gas, and manufacturing. This program is a collaborative initiative between IIT Patna and BIT, building industry-ready planners. Our world-class curriculum is designed by IIT Patna researchers and industry advisors to meet global EPC standards. You will receive expert-led, hands-on training and real-world exposure. Why choose Primavera P6? It is the global gold standard for high-performance project management. Trusted by top firms, it offers enterprise-grade power and a complete control system, including CPM scheduling and resource leveling. Primavera P6 is a top sought-after skill in the industry. The program is designed for engineers and diploma holders in civil, mechanical, and electrical fields, site professionals, and career switchers looking to transition to project controls and scheduling. You will master the industry standard interface. Our complete roadmap takes you from foundational concepts to professional mastery through the learning pathway. By the end, you will be able to build and manage complex schedules like real-world examples, earning a master certificate. The foundation track covers project planning basics, including PM concepts, WBS, activity definition, and CPM/PERT basics. You'll gain hands-on navigation experience with the Primavera P6 interface, including customizing layouts and mastering scheduling logic. The intermediate track focuses on scheduling and resource management. You will master sequencing and network logic, learn resource allocation and leveling, and cover cost loading and budgeting. This track also includes progress tracking using earned value management. The advanced professional track covers project control and industry application. Topics include advanced scheduling techniques, delay analysis and risk management, multi-project management, and integration of EPC workflow standards used in oil and gas. The capstone project requires you to demonstrate mastery by planning, scheduling, and controlling a full-scale industry project. You will perform schedule creation, analysis and optimization, tracking simulation, and professional reporting to build a job-ready portfolio. Explore student success through real project case studies across construction, infrastructure, and oil and gas. Students apply Primavera P6 skills to complex planning challenges, focusing on variance analysis, resource leveling, and robust logic networks. The infrastructure boom drives high demand for P6 skills in sectors like construction and oil and gas. Entry-level planning engineers can expect competitive annual salary packages with substantial growth opportunities for senior roles. This course offers a clear career transition from site experience to a planning professional, leading to roles like project scheduler or delay analyst. We provide comprehensive placement support, including mock interviews and portfolio review.